Mastering English, the Power of Personal Pronouns. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on learning English grammar. Today, we'll be diving into a very important part of English language, personal pronouns, specifically focusing on subject pronouns. Understanding these can make your English conversation and writing much more fluid and natural. Personal pronouns are simply the words that we use in place of specific nouns. They help us avoid repetition and make sentences smoother. Personal pronouns are divided into categories depending on their usage in the sentence. Today, we'll be focusing on subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are the words that replace the subject of a sentence. They stand in for the person or thing that is performing the action. They are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. For example, instead of saying, John is running, you could say, he is running. He is the subject pronoun that replaces John. Remember, it's crucial to match the subject pronoun correctly with the noun it's replacing. For example, use I for yourself, you for the person you're talking to, he for a man or boy, she for a woman or girl, it for a non-human or inanimate object, we for a group including yourself, and they for a group of people or multiple objects. Let's see a few more examples. Instead of, Mary and I are going to the store, you could say, we are going to the store. Instead of, are you and Mike coming to the party? You can ask, are you coming to the party? This way, subject pronouns help us to make our sentences less repetitive and more efficient. Now, it's time to practice. Replace the subject in the following sentences with the correct subject pronoun. 1. Sarah is playing the piano. 2. The dog is chasing its tail. 3. My brother and I are studying for the test. 4. Are Bob and Alice coming to the movie? And that's it for today's lesson on subject pronouns. Hopefully, you've got a clearer understanding of what subject pronouns are and how to use them correctly. Remember, the key to mastering these is practice, practice, practice. So, don't forget to do the exercises and use these pronouns in your everyday English. We'll see you in our next lesson where we'll continue our journey with pronouns. Until then, happy learning!